Okay, question 7 for the Practice Provincial B asks us to express 2 root 5 as an entire radical. Alright, so before we start, let's identify a couple parts to this radical. So 2 root 5. Now every radical contains a coefficient. This is our coefficient. A radicand, and an index. Now this particular radical doesn't actually contain an index, but if that's the case, we assume that the index is 2. Alright, so if we want to go from a mixed radical, such as this 2 root 5, so this is a mixed radical, called a mixed radical. If we want to go from a mixed radical to a full radical, this is how we would do it. So ultimately, we want just a whole radical. This index, the index of 2, tells us how many times we put the coefficient into the radical. So the 2, since we have an index of 2, I'm going to put the 2 into my radical twice. Okay, and whatever is there, 2 times 2 times root 4 times 5. We can simplify that down to 4 times 5, which simplifies to the following, square root of 20. So the answer for number 7 is B. And we can check it. There we go. 7, answer is B. So again, the index tells us, so this index, how many times we put the coefficient into the radical.